Hey folks, finally made it back to the Smoky Mountains. Very exciting. Pretty soon we'll be flying in the Smokies. But I have a project I'm going to be taking on. If I turn around here, you can kind of take a look over here. This is my airplane hangar. This is where I'm going to be building all my aircraft. So this is a neat little bonus. I have a dedicated aircraft building area. So we're going to come over here. And this is going to be a project in itself I'm going to take on over time. Let's go inside here, and it's a pretty big space, right? Having a compressor in here, an air conditioner, but what I want to do is I want to put a mini split in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some insulation inside this guy. From my understanding, when you put in insulation, you also have to put some air passageways up to the top, and you gotta kind of put a ridge vent up there. So it's going to take a little bit of time, but I'm planning on fully insulating this guy, putting a mini split in here for heat and air conditioning. Got my craft table right here. It's going to go over here, which will be nice because there's enough room I can get around the entire table. And then along this wall, I'm going to put a bunch of benches and got some little loft for storages. I can put some airplanes up there, and a little cabinet here for locking or for storing some of my stuff, and some nice windows in here. Kind of see out there the trees in the Smoky Mountains. So this ought to be really interesting. This will be part one, kind of introduction to my new aircraft building center. Look, there's my first solar panel. And I'm going to plan on getting a lot more solar panels out here and put on the roof. This one's a 12-volt solar panel. Anyway, so this is kind of part one. Here's some benches I'm going to have in here. And this is going to be insulated, just kind of come to life once I'm finished. So I already got power run out here, so this will be really cool. My aircraft assembly hangar. So this will be part one in a series. Next, we'll kind of look when we're doing the installation. And then once the installation's done, putting in the mini split. And we'll see how it all goes, but it's kind of exciting to have a whole build area just for building airplanes. Woohoo! Back to Smokies and have a building craft center, so pretty nice.